okay. What do you gotta do? There. Wait a minute. I'll put it in the base. What we can do real quick. Because I don't want to draw yet. I want to use it to it. So that's why I'm not putting it in. Now I got this for how to do all four of them. I want to make bats, spiders. And then I'll switch this back to the other one. Was from a couple weeks ago. Is some of the first clay I got. Like it's from the white is from this first bag. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna always work your clay. You want to try and make sure you get as much of the air bubbles out. So always work your clay. Okay. Whatever oil you got on hand, and it's supposed to help. So I'm gonna put some with my I'm gonna bring this over, and with this brush, I'm gonna put it in the inside, all the way around. Like, I don't know how much you gotta put on, so we'll see if it works. Because when I made the other ones, I don't believe I put it on, but it was hard to get them out. It all depends on your clay, if your clay is sticky or not. Anyhow, so right now what I'm going to go around the outside too, just to be on the safe side. Like, I don't want to put too much on because I don't want it to get too greasy. So we'll see. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so I'll move that out of the way. Let's try it out and see what happens. There we go. Now, will it come out of this by itself without making too much? Oh, there we go. Let's get the other arm out. Come on, let's get the other arm out. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. He's perfect. So I'm going to put him there. I want to see how many I can get. I'm hoping to get at least 3 out of this one. Oh my. Is that? It works. It actually works. Like, some people say they don't have to. But, okay. And then there's 2. Let's see, can I get a 3 on this way? I want it this. Nope, I have to go this way. Oh my goodness, you guys. Well, that's the only one so far. It's the tail. Well, his body. But, oh, got stuck. a little bit too close to the cord there. So there we go. Let's see if we can get 3 more. We might have to make them a little thinner. I want them nice and thick. I might put them in a Ziploc bag. The reason why I do that is because if I don't have time to decorate, I can put them in a Ziploc bag and they won't dry out, right? Okay. Let's see what we can get out of here. Those are sirens, and you'll probably, when I'm recording, hear a few of them, as we live on the, like, we're only like maybe 2 blocks away from the hospital here in Mission. So sometimes you hear lots of sirens. See, this one's a little thinner, but that's okay. The thinner they are, they'll dry faster, right? So I'm gonna do this one here. Oh, nope, can't do them there. So let's try this way here. We might be able to get one more out of this clay here. So far they're coming out a lot better than when... Oh, I keep doing that. That's the only thing, you gotta be very careful because they'll stick to other stuff. So I might have to do that. Because I want different colored coats this year. I got a somewhat of a design in my mind of what it's going to look like. But I don't know if it's going to happen. Okay, looks like we're getting one more, which is awesome. Let's go like that.